Hello. Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn class 12 mathematics. The chapter name of class 12 mathematics is application of differentiations. Then subtopic of application differentiation is approximation value. Then how to find the approximation value. I have given some hints. If you go through these ones, it is easy to solve the problem. And it is same for all the types of problems. First, assume a number nearest to given number which is perfect factors according to given exponent of sum. Suppose the exponent of sum is square root, then assume that number nearest to given number which contains two factors. If the power is cube root, if the power is cube, assume that number which contains three factors, so on. Okay. Then consider that assume number be x. Third step, consider y equals to, now this is the step to form the equation. This is the step to form the equation. Consider y equals to x to the power given exponent. Okay, copy the power from the given sum. Then find the value of y using value of x, because we have considered the assume number. Then put the value of that x in this equation and get the value of y. Then fifth step, find the change in x. Dx is the change in x is equals to given number. The given number minus assumed number. The assumed number means what we assume, that is replaced by x. Then this del x is equivalent to dx. Don't get confused. Del x and dx both are same. Then next step, add same variable increment both sides in the above equations. So this is the equations, and in the left hand side there is the y variable, and increment of y variable is dy. Similarly, in the right hand side there is the x, the increment of x variable is dx, and copy the same power. Then in this equation, substitute the value of x, y and dx. X means the assumed number, y means the value of y by using the assumed number, then dx from here. Then after substituting the value of x, y and dx, you will get the another equation. Mark that equation as 2. Then there is now there is an unknown term is dy. To find the value of dy, there is a formula to find the value of dy. Dy means a change in y variable. Dy means a change in y variable. If there is a dv, there is a change in v. If there is a dz, there is a change in z. Similarly, to find the change in y or dy, there is a formula. Use it for using formula. Dy equals to dy by dx into dx. Dy by dx means the differentiation of y with respect to x. Okay, if you cancel the dx is equivalent to dy. Then substitute the value of dy after simplifying from this equation, you will get the value of dy. Substitute this value in the equation 2, which form after substituting the value of x, y and dx. Now according to this process, now I am going to explain the sum by example. Now look at here. Now example, find the value of square root 35.9. And square root means the exponent is power half. Square root is equivalent to 35.9. Square root means power is half. Okay. Then according to this first step, we need to find the numbers, perfect numbers nearest to the given number. Then given number is 35.9, and the perfect number nearest to this given number is 36. Okay, then we assume x is equals to 36 nearest to given number. Then we are forming the equations. According to step 3, y is equals to under root x. Just replace this given number by x. Okay, then our actual number is 36, and again substitute the value of there in this place. Replace this x by 36, then we will get the value of y equals to 6. Value of y is 6. Then find the del x or dx. Dx is equals to given number minus assumed number. Given number is 35.98. Our assumed number is 36. The difference is minus 0.02. Then now we reach the step 6. Step 6, that's the increment, adding increment in the both side in the above equation. In equation 1, we are adding the increment both side. Left side, the increment of y is dy. In right side, increment of x is dx. Now substitute the value of y. Value of y is 6. There is no value of dy. We are going to find later on. Then value of x is 36. Then plus value of dx is minus 0.02. Now substitute here, and difference of 36 minus 0.03 is 35.98, which is our sum to solve. Now value of y is 36 and dy is there. Now if to find out this equation value of this given question, now we have to find the value of dy. According to the formula or step 8, there is a formula to find the value of dy. Dy is equals to dy by dx dot dx. Okay, dy by dx means differentiation of y with respect to x. Now next is from equation 1. Equation 1 is there. The value of dy is root x. Now replace y by its value root x. Replace y with its value root x. Then now look at here. Then differentiation of root x, you already know the differentiation. We are learning the application of derivative. That means you all know the differentiation of square root. Differentiation of square root is 1 upon 2 under root x, and dx is there. Now substitute the value of x here. The value of x is 36. Then square root of 36 is 6. Then value of dx is minus 0.02. From here substitute there and simplify this one. Thus after simplification you will get the value of dy is minus 0.00166. From now substitute this value in equation 2 to find the accuracy value of given questions. Now from equation 2 we get equation 2 is here. Under root square root 35.98 equals to 6 plus dy. In place of dy, substitute this value. Its value is 0 minus 0.00166. Now then after subtracting it, we got 5.99834. This is the approximation value of square root 35.98. Okay. Then next video we will learn some more about this one, different type of questions. Till there, thank you for watching.